Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at an absolute game changer in portable storage. The Crucial X10 8TB portable SSD. If you are a content creator, a PC gamer, or just someone who needs massive, fast, and durable storage on the go, this little drive promises a lot. Let's break down the specs and see what users are really saying about it. The first is design and durability. First impressive, the size is incredible. The X10 measures just 2.5 by 1.9 and 0.3 inches and weighs a mere 1.1 ounce, genuinely pocket size. It features a sleek, matte blue enclosed with a durable plastic exterior over an aluminum unibody design. The X10 is IP65 rated for dust and water resistant and drop resistant up to 9.8 feet 3 meters. So it's built for the outdoors. User reviews confirm this drive feels solid and robust, perfect for travel or field use. The second is performance and speed. Now for the specs that really matter for performance users. The speed, the Crucial X10 leverages a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C interface. On compatible systems that support this 20 gigabit per second standard, you can expect blazing fast sequential read speed up to 2,100 megabytes per second. Professional reviews at the SSD review noted sustained speed around 1 gigabit per second when transfer massive 391 gigabyte 8K video files. Fast enough to edit directly from the drive. One Best Buy customer review even mentioned getting around 650 megabytes per second sustained transfer for large files, which is still incredibly fast for the price point. However, there is a crucial caveat users repeatedly point out. This maximum speed requires a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 port, which is not widely adopted yet. On most devices include all Apple Mac, with lack this specific USB standard. Speed will max out around 1050 megabytes per second when connected to a 10 gigabit per second USB-C or Thunderbolt port. As one user on Reddit, on most devices it will get 1050 megabytes per second. No idea if you can suck this SSD. On the positive side, unlike some competitors, review from Tom Hardware and iMore praise the X10 for the staying cool and not exhibiting thermal throttling issue during long sustained loss, which is a virtual for the large video projects. The third is capability and compatibility. With a massive 8 TB of storage capacity, this single drive offers extensive space for massive digital libraries. Compatibility is a strong suit working across Windows, Mac OS, Android, PlayStation, and Xbox. Security-wise, the X10 supports AES-255 hardware encryption for protecting your data. Its burst powers, meaning no extra power bricks needed, and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. The last but not least is a note of caution. Before wrapping up, it's worth mentioning some highly crucial user feedback. While many users love the drive, there are a few concern reports in forum and comment section about drive failure. One user on Reddit mentioned, "I now have had 3 X10 Pro SSD go out within a year, suggesting some reliability issues for a small subset of users." This highlights the importance of regular backups, regardless of the drive you choose. So there you have it. The Crucial X10 8TB portable SSD offers an exceptional blend of speed, huge capacity, and rugged durability in tiny package. It's a top contender for those who demanding storage needs, provided you have a compatible system to maximize its speed and always maintain a reliable backup strategy. And now I will show you some tests that I do on my PC. I use my little software to test this Crucial X10 SSD, and I found that read speed is 2467 megabytes and the write speed is 265 megabytes per second. And right now I will copy about 22 gigabytes from my internal SSD to Crucial X10 to see the real speed. It starts up at 300 megabytes per second and it's up and down between 330 megabytes per second to 350 megabytes per second. And then it's stable at about 330 megabytes per second. This is really fast. Yeah, it's stable at 330 megabytes per second. And right now I will copy same file from the Crucial X10 and paste it to the Crucial X10 too. It starts with 185 megabytes per second. And it up and down between 179 megabytes per second to 186 megabytes per second. So that means in this case it read and write in same Crucial X10's SSD. We hope you found this breakdown of the spec and user insight helpful for your next storage decision. If you enjoyed this review or found the information useful, please hit that like button to let us know. It really helps the channel, and if you don't want to miss our future tech reviews and guides, consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. We'll catch you in the next video.